I'm Lori Matthews. I teach at Reedsbrook Middle School in Hamden, Maine. I teach 7th and 8th grade science, but I'm a PBIS teacher for my 8th graders. PBIS always starts with a big question or a big challenge, and our energy unit's going to have our big challenge, which is to design a Rube Goldberg machine that turns off a light. The kids have to know right away, and it ends up being a good thing, that they're not going to actually build the Rube Goldberg. And at first that might be a little upsetting, or they get a little sad, but what we figure out quickly is by not building the actual item, you can have a lot more freedom to do what you want in your design. We spend a little bit of time at the very beginning just talking a little bit about who Rube Goldberg is. Some kids have heard of him, some kids never have. It's just who he was, what he tried to get at, and how that's going to help your kids get to the energy transformations piece. They do have a chance to take a look at some actual Rube Goldberg cartoons, and that's kind of where you launch your unit from. That's where the kids get that exposure and that chance to really take a look at how is this going to fit with energy in the first place. You start out with a conference piece, and conferences are important for kids to get used to in the project. A lot of times kids come to science not having had a chance to talk to others about science. They listen to the teacher talk, and then they spit back things in some form, a test or a project. The conference is a chance for them to say what they already know about energy transformations that they see in their everyday world, but they're going to talk to each other. After they have had a chance to conference and work in their small group, then there's a chance for them to communicate with the class. That can be a little scary at first. If this is their first unit in PBIS, not all kids are going to be comfortable doing that. If this is one of the later units, they should be jumping right in. But it gives them a good chance to share what their group's examples were, build a big class kind of database, a class set of information. From there we go to a video, and the video gives them a chance to see some energy transformations taking place. The kids are also asked to do some observations at that time.